Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Mailchimp audience branding with custom design elements, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Mailchimp audience branding with custom design elements, begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. On the dashboard, navigate to the Audience tab. Select the audience you want to work with. Click on Manage Audience from the drop-down menu. Choose Settings from the options presented. Scroll down to find the audience name and defaults section. Here, you can customize the name of your audience. Next, look for the Branding section. Click on Branding to access the design settings. Start by uploading your logo. Choose a high-resolution image for better quality. Adjust the logo's alignment as needed. Next, select your brand colors. Click on the color palette to choose primary and secondary colors. Ensure these colors align with your overall brand identity. You can also set a default font for your emails. Click on the typography settings to select a font that suits your brand. Once you've made your selections, preview how they will appear in emails. Now, navigate to the Campaigns tab to see how your audience branding looks in action. Create a new campaign to test your branding. Select an email template that showcases your design elements effectively. Preview your email to ensure everything appears as intended. If necessary, return to the audience settings to refine your branding further. Once satisfied, proceed to send your campaign. Congratulations! You have successfully set up your Mailchimp audience branding with custom design elements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.